Okay.
Hello, everyone. Happy New Year and welcome back to our weekly lunch and learn session. A very warm welcome to all of you today. My name is Rosnita from SL Academy. Today we have Mr. Saiful Nizam for the Mastering PowerPoint slides. If you have any question regarding this topic, do leave your message in the comments section and Mr. Nizam will answer them right after his presentation. All right, so let's not wait anymore. Now I pass this floor to Mr. Nizam.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, Miss Rose. Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Nizam. So today we're going to talk about a topic which is mastering PowerPoint slides. Okay. Most of the time when we use PowerPoint, we thought that we always mistreat our PowerPoint. No, we treat our PowerPoint like whatever we want. Okay, because PowerPoint actually have a few sets of rules. All right. So example, like creating the cover page. Okay, creating the cover page. It is not as simple as like what we thought. Like we are having picture and then just paste it here and there. And some more nowadays our PowerPoint have AI capabilities, which is it able to give you ideas on what you want to show in your PowerPoint. So today I'm going to talk about mastering the slides, okay, and mastering the slides and how to get the slide properly and how to use the slides properly. Because sometimes when we do not use our slides properly, so we will face lots of problems. Okay, most of the time, people use PowerPoint. They use template. Okay, they use template, but it is not a real template. In PowerPoint, template format for PowerPoint is THMX. Okay, so that's the template. If you talk about template, if you tell me, Nizam, I use template, it's okay. We don't want to use PowerPoint because we have our own template. And I have to check whether your template is a proper template or not. Because a proper template, if you put video in your template, you don't have to bring the video everywhere you go. You just give the template, and then if the video is embedded into a template already. But if you use your PPTX as a template, then you call it as a template. Okay, so you have to bring the file folder, you have to bring the sound, the video, and everything. Okay, so now I want to give you some ideas on creating slides in your PowerPoint. Let's say the cover page. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. All right, so this is my screen. Let me minimize this one first. I will put you on this side. Okay, nice. Then PowerPoint. Okay, sharing my presentation. Okay, good. All right. So guys, as you can see, this is my Microsoft PowerPoint slides. Okay. This is a blank slides. Okay. You have to understand that these blank slides have their own rules. Examples like this box, these text boxes. Okay. You cannot simply just normally what I see, what people do is they do this. If you are among the person among the people who do this to your PowerPoint, example, you do this to your PowerPoint, then you delete, please stick to this session. Okay, because that's a wrong way to treat your PowerPoint. Okay, do not treat your PowerPoint wrongly, please guys, please do not treat it wrongly lah. Okay, so if you don't like this one, why? If you like this view, or you don't like these slides, you don't delete it. You don't delete. Please do not delete this one, because you will make a very horrible problems. Okay, you make a very horrible mistakes. Because when you want to share your slide with your friends, they want to edit your slide, or you want to create a template, this is impossible to you. Because in PowerPoint, have you ever wondered why my first slides always looks like this? Okay, my first slide always looks like this, and my second slide always looks like this. Okay, my first always look like this, and my second always looks like this. But some people say that, oh, because this is the first slide lah, the first slide always become like this because this is the first slide. Okay, if I rearrange, so now my first slide becomes second slide. So now it changed to become the second slide. But why does the design still looks like this? And why does the first design always looks like this? There's a reason behind everything here. Because, as I say, if you delete the first mistakes, or if you rearrange everything, you just change everything. Okay, the problem is because your PowerPoint have their own type of layout set by PowerPoint. Okay, these slides have this design not because is this the second slide or because the position. No, because this slide assigned as layout, type, title, and content. Okay, so that's why I tell you, if you delete these slides, okay, we thought that we have blank layout. All right, so the problem is because we thought that we have blank layout, but the problem is, yeah, again, the problem is because we thought this is a blank layout. No, this is not blank. You can lie to your friend, but you cannot lie to PowerPoint. PowerPoint knows that this is not a blank slide. It knows that this slide called as title slides. Okay, so that's why every time you press reset or you accidentally press reset or you open your slide from your friend's computer, what happened? It will always shows this text back. Okay, so do not delete your slides. So first thing to manage or first thing to master your slides, you have to control your slides from your slide master. But before you go to slide master, let's see this slide. But who control this design? Who decide that this box have to be here? Why not the box here? And why, if I go to my design, okay, if I choose other type of slides here from this design, different type of slides have different design. Example, I click here, enter. So this one looks different and this one looks weird because see, the click to a title is over here. Why is red to red? I changed to blue, green. No, blue. Okay, nice. Okay, so what happened is, what happened here? Because this slide design or destiny to design like this. If I go to home and I reset, so you see, the position is going back to normal. And if you guys are using 2021, Microsoft Office 2021, or you guys are using Microsoft Office 365, like mine, I'm using 365. Over here, we have designers. Okay, this is AI generated design, AI generated design, which is suggested by Microsoft for us. So it means we can choose any design here to be used in our slide. But remember, if you use the designer layout, okay, this is not the same as controlling your layout by using your slide master. Okay, this is like the method that people normally use. Okay, and this design normally only can be used once. If you want to use it more than once, you have to put this design back into your slide master, because the one who control the design of slide is your slide master. Remember, your slide master is the key to everything. Before you start your slides, you have to understand about slide master. Okay, so they say, now my slides, they say, I don't like this box, I want to delete this box. I only delete text, but nothing changed. But who control these boxes? The one who control these boxes is actually your view slide master, which is over here. Okay, this is the guy who control everything in your slides. Okay, that means your presentation controlled by layout and your layout controlled by your slide master. Okay, your slide master controls everything. All right, so let's say if I change back my design from this theme, okay, I change it back to normal, which is blanks and nothing changed. And you see, I got no boxes because previously I delete this box. But when I go back to my home and I reset, the box appear again. It reappear. All right, see, always reappear because this one controlled by something. Something control these boxes. That something is layout. But who control this layout? And if you count this layout, I have around 1, 2, 3, 9 layout. Okay, I have around 9 layouts here. Okay, and each layout have their own reason, lah, have their own purposes. If I choose blank, become blanks lah. This is how we can design the slides. Okay, so now, but I have 9 layouts. So what's that mean? What's that mean? Okay, if I don't like this design, let's take out this designer. Just remove the designers lah. Okay, just go back to my view and in my slide master. So here in my slide master, you can see we have 1 layout, 2 layout, 3 layout, and few more layouts. And this layout looks weird because this layout link to one main master. Okay, this is the main master layout. This is the sub. Okay, to make it very simple, all of small layouts here is the one that control your slide presentation. And this is the biggest slides. This is the one that control everything down here. What does it control? It controls your font type, your font size, your color, your logo, your placement, your animation, yada, 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 yada. And if you want to put animation to your background, come on, guys, we are corporate. You guys are corporate. Not going to you are not going to put your PowerPoint. Not going to put like sound or songs. Okay, imagine you're doing your 2022 year end sales report, and then come up with sound like nah, nah, nah. That doesn't look nice. So we don't need sound that like. Okay, so to design. Okay, so how to design and how to design the slides to make the slide looks nice. Okay, first you have to understand each of these slides have their own purposes and have their own names. And if I count how many slides do I have here, the small one, do not count the first one. This is the main one. This is the Bapa one, the one that controls everyone. So the one, if you are in Pahang, you know that Bapa means very. Okay, so this one is Bapa one, the very one, the besar one. This one control everything's here. Okay, if I count these small slides, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Okay, I have 9. But if you counted, maybe you have 11. Okay, remember these two, okay, cannot be used because this one only for Japanese or I think certain languages that you can use. You can write like this. It depends on the language setting. But in this case, these two we can ignore. Okay, because we are not using this one. We are using standard language, which is English language. Okay, so from here you can count. We have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we have 9. 9 here. It's same with 9 in your layout. So that means the 9 in your slide master is actually the 9 layout in your layout. Okay, that's 9. All right, so that's 9. Nice. Okay, but this one, okay, if you hover on top of this, the first one, the first small layout, okay, this is, they call it as, what do you call it? Wait, they call, oh, too big, too big, too big, too big, make it smaller, too big. Okay, this one's, this slide called as title slide layout used by slides one. So these slides called as title slide layout. Again, title slide layout. Have you heard about this? Or it triggers some things, right? So title slide layouts is actually here, your title slide. If you don't believe me, remember the second one, title and content. View, smart slide, slide master. The second one, they call it as title and content layout. Title and content layout. Oh, it triggers something. It trigger layout here, title and content. Okay, so now let's say I want to design my slide master. I want to design my cover page. So to make a good presentation, you need a very good cover page. Please, guys, do not make a very boring cover page. Okay, some people they do cover page like this. Say what they do? They do this. A very method, which is, let's say this is the yearly report. Yearly report. Okay, and then here let's say done by someone. Let's say I put done by Daniel. Okay, if there's Daniel in this session, I'm sorry, it's not done by you, but just a name. Okay, okay, done by Daniel. So they done something like this. Oh, I have my corporate logo. So they go to insert. They will insert picture for their corporate logo lah, etc. Oh, I want to put some image. They put some image here and there. Okay, guys. Okay, yes, you may insert image. Okay, let's say I choose some stock image. Okay, they put some image. Okay, let's say put here and just insert. So that's the image they have. Wow, for them looks nice, and then they will use the designer to choose. Okay, this design looks nice. Wow, with animation some more. But the problem is this design not set in your slide master. That means next time when you want to use this design in your next reports, you have to redo it again and again and again and again. Okay, or worst case, there are people who redesign by themselves. Okay, put the image here and then send to back with efforts they do this. Oh, these reports they would make it to the left. Okay, here also to the left, and then rearrange to make it nice, make it clearer. Put here to make it more creative lah, like creative kan. Oh, looks like very creative. They put like this side. Oh, this one is very creative, Guys, don't do this lah. This is very normal design. Oh, actually, this one quite nice, Oh, I quite like this design, but Oh, later my all my CEO and all my BOD will have headache. No, will have neck sore, like yearly report. Okay, but okay, let's say some of us do this, but the problem is we cannot reuse this design. All right, so let's say, so the best way is, if you want to use this design, you want to redesign your slide master, your cover, go to your view, go to your slide master. From this slide master, insert the image here. Okay, insert the image here in your slide master. You see the difference. Okay, the difference, if I go to insert and I go to picture, I insert stock image. So here I use all image in my stock image, in Microsoft stock images, right? I click here, I click insert. Okay, so that's my cover. That's my first image. I make it big, put to the side, okay, and I send it to back. Okay, done. Okay, first I go back to the slide master and then close my master view, and tada, the same cover is over here. But this time I can rearrange. I cannot edit my image here because this image doesn't belong to me. It belongs to my slide master. Okay, let's say, okay, I want to make it nicer. I just go back to my view, go back to my slide master. So here I want to change the font here. Okay, and don't be surprised when you cannot see the wording yearly reports over here, because you are not doing any write up here. Any writings you have to do in your reports. Now we want to design, include. Hey Nizam, I don't like the design or the font type here. I want to change the font type. Try not to change your font type and your font size from here. Please do not touch here. Please lah. Okay, do not touch here unless if you are in slide master. Okay, now I'm in slide master, but Nizam, the font not nice. What's my wording? As I tell you, do not worry about the wordings. Okay, just click here. Okay, just click in the words in the box. You just make it smaller a little bit. Okay, so this time I want to change the font type. Okay, I touch home while I'm in slide master. Okay, not in my presentation. Okay, we have two sides. One is slide master, one is presentation. So let's say from here, I want to change the font type. I don't like to use the Calibri Light headings. I want to use, let's say, Arial Black. Okay, very bold. Okay, I want to change the color. I don't want to make it like, yeah, I want to make it. I want to make it white. Okay, and make it longer a little bit. All right, longer a little bit. But make sure you are using white font, not on white background. If whoever do that, I don't know what to say. Okay, let's say this box. Okay, now the image is too big. I know, too small. It cannot fit my whole image. It's okay. You can always resize the image like normally. Okay, crop the image a little bit. Okay, just crop the image a little bit. How to crop? It's very simple. Picture format, crop, then crop. Just crop. Done. Okay, so these are my font. I want to put it here. Okay, and then I want to make it like align to my left. So I will align to my left. Okay, make this box smaller a little bit, and this one I'm going to put it down here, and also align to my left, and make this box smaller a little bit, and make this one smaller. And I want to change the font type also. Haroni, do not put white. Okay, put, let's say, gray a little bit. Okay, there are rules in design. When you want to design something, make sure your main title will be bigger from your subtitle here. Okay, don't make your subtitle become bigger unless you want to read. And it depends on how do people read. Normally, people read start from top until bottom, from left to the right, or from right to your left. It depends on the language. Please, this is not typography. This is reporting. Okay, if you put it center here, it looks nice for calendar, but for printed calendar, but it's not nice for your report. You do this. Okay, bigger and smaller. White, more white, and this one is less obvious. All right, so now I change the design, and this is my cover page. I go back to my slide master here, then I just close my slide master and type. Hey, but Nizam, it doesn't look nice. Your yearly report is over here. Guys, don't worry, because I control the position of the text by using my slide master. What I do is just press reset, and tada, it goes back to normal. Okay, it goes back to normal. So this is my yearly report. You can put anything here. Guys, if you want to design a nice cover page, please put an image that inspire the content. Okay, you put bridge for your yearly reports. What your boss say is, oh, that means our yearly report, that means our account for this year is quite good. Okay, because you see the bridge is strong. Do not put something yang very very lembut, like you put kain because, oh, I like fabrics. Yeah, you want to present something good but you use fabric which is doesn't show toughness. Okay, you can use fabric, but you need fabric that looks expensive. Do not put like very cheap, very not nice, not nice, not the word's not nice, very not appealing, or not something that represent whatever inside the reports. Okay, remember, image play role in your content of your presentation. Okay, do not put cartoon unless if you're presenting to kids or your project is about fun. Okay, and do not combine that is not synchronized. And you have, okay, let's say you have your bridge here and you put a small aeroplane over here. Do not do that. Or you don't put people, a small people on top of here to present that we are on top. No, guys, when you say that we are on top, you put small people here. Me, I, as a viewer, I will, oh, that's a suicide. People try to kill themselves. They want to jump from the bridge. Don't do that. Remember. Okay, be careful with whatever you choose. Do not put like somebody doing the paragliding here uh, towards the bridge. Do not do that. Okay, so that's the rules to design a good cover page. Okay, let's say, Nizam, this is a very normal cover page. I want to make a nice report, a nice cover page. Guys, this is the first one. Okay, let's see, because we want to master our slide, right? So now let's say my first boss want to see the kind of report, but my second boss, he want to see something more. Okay, what if in our report, okay, we want to create a cover page that different. Okay, I want to create multiple cover page. Have you ever think of creating multiple cover page for your reports? Maybe you can recycle it. Maybe certain boss like this way and another boss like that way. Maybe you can use both. Or maybe you don't know. Okay, maybe boss suka this blue, or maybe this boss suka laut. Maybe this client they like the color this and that. You have to have few options. Prepare before we go to battle. Okay, so now I just duplicate this slide. Duplicating this slide seam, and I duplicate my slide in my slide master. Remember, right click, just duplicate it. Bum. Now this is duplicated slides. Okay, now I duplicated the slides. So you see, my first name is title slide, and my second is one underscore title slide layout. It's quite awkward. I close my slide master, and in my layout, oh, now I have two cover page, which is one is title slide, another one is one underscore title slide. You can always rename the title slide. You can always rename the title slide. Doesn't matter. Okay, you can always rename your title slide. Okay, let's say. Now I'll go back to my view. Oh, okay, slide master. So here, my cover page. I don't want to use this cover page. Very boring. Static image for your cover page is boring. While introducing yourself, why not use something moving? Okay, in my case, I'm going to use an image. Okay, I'm going to use, sorry, I dragged it from file. Okay, I'm going to use a moving image, which is GIF. Okay, GIF file. Okay, now, this is my GIF file. You see, the image is moving. Okay, so now this image, I'm going to make it as my background. Okay, I can make it bigger. It's not a problem. And then, okay, right click, send it to back. Okay, good thing about GIF is you are able to crop GIF without affecting the quality. That's my GIF. Okay, this is my GIF. Guys, this is my cover page, which have moving images for my reports. Okay, let's say I just want to make sure my report looks nice. Make sure that this all, okay, should be until here only. Okay, nice. Okay, this wording, I want to change the color lah. I don't want to put white because too many whites here. I want to emphasize, I put some, let's say, not black. Do not black. Do not put black. Put gray or few percent of gray lah. Because when you put black, when you print out, it doesn't look nice. Please, guys, one of the tips: do not put black. Okay, let's say I put it on this side. Okay, make it longer a little bit, and then change the font type from Arial Black. I change the font type to, let's say, not Bangkok thick. Okay, Britannic bold. Here also to the left. Okay, and then I change the font. Now it's Ahroni. I change it back to, let's say, Calibri light. Okay, make it nicer. I put like it can be like what color? What color? What color? Color. Okay, so put this color. Okay, and also align to my left. Okay, nice. And this box, okay, this box, you can feel the shapes. Okay, I feel shapes with something similar to this color. Okay, but I don't know what color is this. I can use eyedropper to pick up one color. That's my color for my background. Okay, click here, shape format, shape fill, eyedropper, pick up the color. Okay, so yeah, I want to make it like, yeah, nice already. So here, the second one, I want to put it white. My background is white. Shape fill, I know how to choose white lah. This is the white, but not too white. I want to have this kind of white. Just eyedropper, pick the color white here. Hey, don't run lah. Okay, I pick the color right here. Okay, nice. That's my white. Okay, close my master, and nothing happened. Why does we call this as mastering your slides? Because of this. Now this is my boring cover report. Okay, I go to my layout. This is again, guys, why you do not delete your layout, because this layout is very useful. From your layout, choose the new one that you have created, and there you go. Let's see if I use this as my presentation. It looks nice. I have moving images to show that we are busy doing business and building something good. Why I'm using blue? Because it looks cool. Do not use like striking colors like red, white, red and orange. Because those colors will represent something that very aggressive and not very that doesn't have that cooling effects. So now people are very sensitive about colors, study about this color. So now I have my cover report that looks like this, a moving image for my cover reports. All right, why not we do this? We do animation very minimal, only for cover page. Okay, imagine in this situation, you are introducing yourself, you are doing the proposal, you are doing something, and while people are looking at the slides, they are entertained. Have something to see. They like to see things are moving. But remember, do not too much movement in your slides. Okay, this one is very okay lah. Okay, so this is another ideas of your cover reports. No, your cover, your slide, your cover, your slide cover lah. Okay, so now guys, if you remember, when I change the layout, the position of the text, the size of the text, and also the color change. It depends on my slide master. That means I don't have to recreate the scenario. I don't have to redo. I don't have to rearrange, or I have to remember what font I'm using here. So that means you can have your cover. Okay, you can have your cover from static image, and you also can have your cover from moving image. And this is animated GIF. Okay, animated GIF image. Okay, Nizam, what if I don't have animated images, or my company doesn't allow this kind of images? They have their own corporate video. They want to place something on their back. They like their image. They say my boss love. Let's say my boss love. Okay, C. Okay, if they love C, you also can use other type of images as your background. Okay, example here. Okay, again, view. So guys, so now you have two type of slide cover, right? First, static image. Second, GIF image. So now I'm going to duplicate this one. Another one, duplicate. Okay, duplicate this one. Click and delete. Okay, I don't want to use this cover. So now I want to use something else. Okay, other than that, I'm going to use a video as my cover page. Okay, I want to use a video as my cover page. So let's say I take this video. I have my preset video already, right? Okay, this is my video. I'm bringing it in and that's my video. Okay, if you look at this video, this is different from your GIF. Your GIF will automatically play it in your PowerPoint, but videos not. When you press play, it is very calm. Okay, all right, it is very calm. And if you want to choose this kind of image or this kind of item as your background, this is about balance. Okay, this is about balance. So if you want to present something about balance, okay, not your account balance lah. Definitely not your account balance. Our account balance doesn't look like this. Means seimbang, seimbang. Okay, the sea and the sand. Okay, then at least people get the idea that oh, this is the good things about our industry or our reports or our company. So now this image, I send it to back. Okay, so I'll send it back. Make this video bigger. Okay, the difference between GIF image and video is GIF is automatically played, while video you have to set few things. Okay, let's say I want this video to play automatically. How? I just click on the video. So on top of here, we will have our video format and also playback. Okay, I choose my playback. Okay, in my playback here, the good thing about video, you are able to add some bookmark. You are able to trim your video. You do not put the whole Avengers or the whole Avatar movie in this 4 hours. Too long. Okay, and you also can add some fade effects. Okay, in this case, I don't want sound in this video, so the volume will be mute. I don't know whether it have sound or not. And please avoid using too many sound in your presentation. Okay, so it start in click sequence. Okay, it just choose automatically. Okay, and you have to choose loop until stop. The rest of it, you don't have to choose anything. Okay, what happened? It will play automatically. Okay, so I want to rearrange my text. I want to put my text here. Okay, I want to remove the background, the shape fill, no fill, and the font I want to make like very stable and very font that have very similar, very seimbang like that. Okay, I choose this one. I use Arial Black because it looks very symmetry. Okay, all right, I put here and put the font here. Yeah, you can type just whatever you want. So this one, okay, I put a center here to make it look balanced. That's all. Okay, let's say my created by here, I want to change a little bit. Okay, this one is nice. Yeah, should be okay. If you do the trick. Here, the font color, let's say I change the font color to something not too white. Okay, I put white, but I add some shadow a little bit. Haha, nice. So it pop up. Okay, so now what happened is, when I close my Slide Master, when I change my layout to my new layout, which is video, the problem is the video did not play automatically like the previous one, because this video will play only when you do the presentation. Okay, why not do this kind of reports? It looks nice. Okay, it looks nice. Selecting image for your report, for your background is very important. The content inside is up to you, how you want to put it inside your PowerPoint. But here, selecting your cover reports for your cover for your reports is very important. Okay, do not put boxes, because boxes will clutter, not will clutter. Boxes will limit your ideas. Okay, it will show that, oh, we are very close. Now open it up. Okay, and this is the cover page. Okay, let's say now I have my 3 type of cover page. Okay, I have my still image, I have my GIF images, and also I have my video cover page. Okay, if this video cover page did not play properly in your presentation, okay, let's say, yeah, this one doesn't look nice. I want to remove that one. Okay, these boxes, I also don't like it. If you don't like it, I also don't like it. I just have to give it a try. Okay, make it small a little bit. Okay, don't make it too obvious. Then just change the font to, should be white, should be okay lah. Or you want to choose the C color here also can. The font color, eyedropper, watercolor, set as a color for the C. Yep, you may do that also. Okay, let's say this one, I want to make it like not bigger. Okay, I want to put the center, and I want to put the shape in gray, and I want to change a little bit the feel, the transparency. Okay, so if this color not nice, gray, a little bit more gray. It should be okay, but still not balanced. Put it here, and here it should be between this part. Okay, it should balance. Okay, now this is balanced already. So now this is your report. Okay, this is your report. And when you play your slides, it plays like that. Remember, if your video did not play properly, you can always check your view, your slide master, check whether you set this video to play automatically. Okay, sometimes we forget about playing the video automatically. Okay, so these are the slides that we have mastered already. We have put our still image, our we call as GIF, animated image, and also our video. Sometimes we want to put image. We have to understand certain image have different purposes, not different purposes only, but they have different ideas. Okay, they have different. When people see that image, they will feel something different. Okay, example. If I create a layout, okay, this is my new layout, and now I'm going to put image that looks like this. I put it on the other side, just like that, center back. Okay, and this box I make it center. This one also create sense of balance in your design, in your cover page, in your reports. Okay, but you see, because this image, we see the building from bottom. Okay, when you see from bottom, it makes us feel small. That's why when you want to use image that looks like this, make sure you do not make it super big like that. If you make it super big like this, so when people see this presentation, they will feel small. They will feel small. Okay, I don't know why, but they will feel that's what humans see, because they will feel like, oh, we are small, like this one, we are very small because we see from bottom. Okay, a company don't want to be seen as small. So so be very careful choosing your cover page. Okay, you choosing your image. Okay, if I choose this image, oh sorry, this one is nice. I also like this cover report. Let me do this one. Okay, because this one is nice. I suka. That's why I put it small here. Okay, that's why I put the image half of the slides. Okay, I put it half of the slide, so it doesn't feel too small. It still feel you are big. You can see the whole picture. Okay, remember, if you want to put full image as your cover page, make sure you choose a proper image. Okay, if I have this kind of image, duplicate this one. Okay, remove this image, but this time I'm going to use this kind of image. Oh, okay. This image makes us feel better because we see from middle. This is more close to our heart. Okay, this is closer to our heart. Let's say I make this one bigger. It doesn't make us feel small actually. Okay, send to back. Okay, and then just crop. I like to crop to reduce the usage of RAM. Crop. Alamak, salah potong pula. Okay, let's say this image, I want to crop it. Okay, crop. Okay, also crop from here to here. Nice. See, if you choose this layout and it doesn't make us feel like very small, it makes us feel like at the center. Okay, so choosing a proper cover page will help you to convey a proper ideas of your reports. And if you ask me, hey, Nizam, I love this cover page, I can choose any I want. Yes, you may. Rather put any animation in your slides, you better put your animation in your cover page. It's enough already. Okay, all right. I know, maybe you will ask yourself, Nizam, what's the purpose of this, the first one, the biggest one? What's the purpose? Because this one control everything's down here. Okay, example, if this one, okay, I put another image which is, yep, this moving earth. Okay, see, when I put this moving earth here in my first slides here, so the rest of the slide will have rotating earth. Here also have, but you cannot see it, but it's at the back. It's there. Okay, here also have, it's also at the back. It have. Here also dekat belakang. There, you see. So here also see, the main one, the main master will control every single slide underneath here. So if you don't want this slide to have this image, what you can do, just go back to your slide master, hide your background graphics, and ta-da, there's nothing. Same goes to the rest of the slide. My cover page, I don't want my cover page to have the background. Even though I cannot see it, I want to remove it. I don't want to see. If you say, in Nizam, this one cannot see, but why you remove it? You see on top of it, just line there? That's the line of that globe. So I just remove the globe. Okay, here also I just remove already. Here also I remove the globe, hide background. So now they are independent. Okay, they are independent. So let's say if the rest of the slide, oh, this one also I don't know, and you don't want, you can remove it. Or let's say the rest of it I don't want, I want only few only. So if you want only few that have this kind of image, you have to put it only one slide lah. This one lah. Okay, you don't have to put on top of here. All right, don't make it complicated. All right, so here I want this globe, and I'm going to click here. Remember, because this is GIF, I'm able to crop it. Once I able to crop it, okay, I also able to remove the background by choosing color, set transparent color, choose one background color. And there you go. Oh, you see can here and there. This small one, the one cannot be helped because this one is using the color. Okay. Or you also can use your picture format. You can have your crop. You can crop to shape. You choose circle. So that's your circle. So your circle here, you can always choose aspect ratio, change it 1:1 to make it perfect circle, and then crop it properly to the shape of your earth. Oh, nice. Nice lah sikit. Nice, that's my earth. It's round. Okay, make it smaller a little bit. Let's say I want to put it here. And there you go. That's your report. On your left side, there's an earth. So every little slides that follows or that doesn't hide the background graphics have the small earth over there. Just close your slide master. So here, got the small earth here. When I press enter, the small earth there, and it's still rotating. I change the cover, I change the design, also same like this. So that's how we can control our slide master. And that's how we can control our slide to make our slides looks nice and to make our slides looks better. And to control by using PowerPoint, you are not only designing your reports, you are not designing your slides, you are controlling your slides. You want to get hold on the slide to make sure that that slides can be used in other sites. Okay, so okay, so now I have this one, but I don't want the earth. I want to remove the earth. Okay, no problem. All right, so here the earth, I don't want the earth lah. Okay, it looks very weird unless if I put it big to the side, can. And then a crop ke ambil tak can do lah. I just remove this one. Nice. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slide layout that can be used. Okay, and this slide layout is here. You can always choose. Okay, maybe you ask me, Nizam, so now the problem is my cover here have video, and we all knows that when you have video in your PowerPoint slides, you need to bring the video together when you bring the reports, or else people cannot play the video. Yes, that's true. But if you save this file and you want to use later with your friend, if you save it in this method, if you go to file, you save as, and then from there you choose what we call this PC, you choose as PPTX. This won't work properly. So what you can do is once you have set your custom layout, it doesn't matter about the rest of the thing. You also can do it lah. Okay. Now I want to save this one because I want to use in another slides. Guys, it's very simple. Go to your design, From this design, go to this side. There's more arrow button here. Choose Save Current Theme. By default, this theme save in local C user Saifu data roaming. I don't know where is it. Okay, because data I want to find is very difficult for me. So normally I save it in my document. Okay, or where I can find it easily. I put it in my desktop. But there's also advantage when you save in your PowerPoint punya layout. Okay, so here I put it here desktop. I put here in desktop. Okay, the name is, let's say, lunch. Okay, lunch. You remember the file name is THMX. The author is me. You can put your tag. Use your tag. You can add your title. Let's say your title for your department name or anything. Put any subject here. Easy for you to find the file. Remember, you can always use this one. Text, title, subject. Easier for you to find this file in your Explorer. Okay, save, pump. Done. So what's next? Okay, let's say I have a friend who have slides reports that looks like this. Oh no, this is not the report. Salah report. Okay, then should be okay. Let's see. Server SASS image here and there. Oh, okay lah. Not this one. This one not nice. I just create satu slide. I just create another new slides. So this one I close it first. My time is running out. Alamak. Okay, let me do it. Finish this one. How to use it. I want to close. This one I close. I did not save anything here. I just close it. Okay, it asked me to save. I don't want to save. Just be. So now from here, I create a report. Let's say here is my lunch Leon. Okay, report. Example. Alamak, salah aja. Lunch Leon. Okay, and I put here like presented by, let's say, Nizam. Okay, so here I put some text. I put, let's say, like this one done by this done by yada yada yada, and I put some random text here. Okay, random text. So that's some texts. So here in this report, you look at this layout. There is nothing here. Your title slide is very normal, and now I want to use my previous layout design, my previous cover page. I want to use it here. Super simple. Just go back to your design. Go back to more button here. You go browse for themes. Look for your previous themes, which is in my desktop. I save it as lunch.thmx. Click there and apply, and ta-da! That's my cover report that I created previously. And not only that, I also have the animated one, the video one, the don't make me small one, and also the middle one. See? So now you have your reports, you have your layout. So this is THMX, and that file, okay, let me show you. Okay, wait, let me find the file. Okay, just the file. How to copy to somewhere safe? I can share my screen. Okay, yeah, nice. Okay. See, oh, salah tarik. Okay, nice. Okay, so you see, this is the file, lunch THMX, but the file is gigantic, which is 8.908 KB, around 9 MB plus plus, because of the video. That means the video embedded into this slide also, those video. So if you want to share with your friend, do not share your PPTX, share your THMX by using the previous method that I show you, because he or she can use it without taking your content. So normally what people do, you know what? They do this. They design the report slide. Okay, they design the cover. Say they have this one. They just delete this one. They delete this one. Then they delete this one. And then she also, they delete. I know some of you maybe done this. Wow, they delete. Oh, no. No, cannot. I cannot. They don't want to share the content. Then they share just PPTX. Here, just go to save as, they save it as desktop, they save it as PPTX. Guys, this is not a template. And if this is a template in your company, change it to THMX. Okay, change it back to THMX. And you remember one last thing before we stop for Q&A or anything. Okay, previously I save it on my desktop, right? So this time I'm going to save it in my local Microsoft folder. All right, local Microsoft folder, and it is inside my roaming Microsoft template. I just save it there. Pump. So when I save it there, when I close my PowerPoint, I don't want to save this one. I close everything, and I start my new PowerPoint. Remember, because I already started, I already saved my template. I already saved my template. So here you can have your new, you can have your more themes. Okay, from here you can find your custom, and this is my custom themes. Okay, this is my custom theme, and I know, Nizam, we already have all of this lah. We already have all of this nice template, and why do I still need this custom? You have this template and make this template that you have here as your own custom theme. Okay, let's say if I choose this one, console all hands, I just click this one, I just create it from this one. Definitely have no video. Oh, you got it. Yeah, this one is for presentation. It's nice. Okay, let's say, no, this one, not nice. I choose one. Let me check one. Because this one always updated. Nice also. Active design. Okay, design. Okay, let's say this is a slide, right? Okay, you check your layout. Whatever template, whatever layout you have, check your layout and see this slide have their own layout, have their own design of layout. And if you want to use the same layout from this layout to your PowerPoint presentation, again, just go to design, click here, save this current theme. So when I save this current theme, I save on my desktop, easier for me to find, try out, save. Okay, so what happened? What happened? When you go back and find your file, find the template that I saved already. This one try out, right? When I open it, you have your blank layout without image, and all of the layout they have created for this particular design already here. So you don't have to redo to delete the image here and there. Just use the template here. Okay, guys. So that's all. That's all about mastering your slides. Okay, make sure you can control your slide properly so that your slide looks better. You don't have to. You don't have to waste your time rearrange or redesign your slides. Okay. All right. So now that's it. So now I open for any question. If you have, you can write on the chat, and I can comment it. Okay.
Nabil.
Dah.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Nizam, for the great sharing today. Also, thank
Welcome.
you everyone for joining our lunch and learn session. Right, sekarang kita tunggu sekejap jika ada soalan ya.
Okay, boleh. You dah makan ke? Miss Rose dah makan ke? Tak dengar.
Dengar.
Dengar tak?
Soalan.
Testing,
Okay,
testing.
soalan apa tu? Tak dengar tadi.
Oh, tak dengar. Tak lah, saya tanya dah makan ke?
Oh, belum.
Oh, lama.
Tunggu
Itulah saya
sampai pukul
nampak
1.
makanan-makanan
Habis
dekat
session
bawah
ni,
sini.
then only we go for lunch.
Oh, okay. Saya nampak makanan kat bawah ni macam sedap je pula.
Ya, gambar ya.
Itulah gambar lah. Okay.
Okay, so nampaknya seperti tiada soalan untuk hari ini.
Okay.
Okay, so for those who are interested to learn more about mastering PowerPoint, do email or contact us for more details. Also, don't forget to follow our social media platform for more information. If you missed today's session, you can watch it on our Facebook page or YouTube channel. Okay? All right, with that, thank you everyone and have a good lunch and goodbye. Okay,
Okay.
Nizam, thank you.
Okay. All
Bye.
right. Bye bye. See
Lagi ya.
you.
Okay,
Okay.
bye.